Right now, we're seeing a subtle uptick in sentiment with a score of plus 0.004, but the real story lies in the momentum, which has surged to plus 1.300 over the last 24 hours. This is significant when you compare it to our historical baseline, where such a spike often indicates a shift in market dynamics. You can leverage this insight through our API, which returns sentiment scores, momentum data, and semantic clusters, essentially breaking down the financial conversation into actionable insights. For example, if you're building a trading algorithm, this momentum can help you time entries or exits based on shifts in sentiment. Dive deeper into how you can integrate this data into your projects at pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.